So if you are looking for how to get a copyright-free background music and sounds, then you are just watching the right video tutorials. Because in this video, I am going to be teaching you how you'll be able to get a copyright-free background music and background sound. Is that okay? So watch this, make sure you watch this video till end, as I'm going to be exposing a lot of sensitive websites that will help you achieve this process without running out of background sound, without running out of background music, and without being afraid if your video is going to incur copyright claims or not. Is that okay? Let's jump into the action. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you want to see this kind of video in the future. Let's go into it. All right, so to download your copyright free background music for your videos, kindly come to your browser. Come to your browser. For me, I'm going to be using Chrome, so you can use any browser at all. Then when you click on Chrome, sorry, I'm there, so let me just start from beginning. When you click on Chrome, you want to type Pixabay, Pixabay, P-I-S-K, right, S-E-B-A-Y, pixabay.com. All right, click on, type pixabay.com, then you search. So when you search for pixabay.com, it's going to bring you to this place. Is that okay? So when you come to this place, what you want to do is to select what you want to do. In this site, you can actually download almost many things. You can download images, you can download videos, you can download music, and you can also download sounds. All right, you can download background music, you can download background sound, you can download images you need for your videos. You can also download videos also that you need for content creation. Is that okay? You can see image because we are currently on image. Is that okay? So when you come to this place, you're going to find out that we have if you come to this place, for instance, if you come to this place, you are going to see music, home, you're going to see photos, you're going to see illustrations. All right, you move again, you're going to see vectors, you're going to see videos, and so on. But for the sake of this class, what we are trying to download is music. You can see this one, we have music, we have sound effects, and so on. All right, so what you are trying to download is music, so just click on music. I'll click on music, so it's going to bring me to over to music area. All right, here look at this, look at this. It said royalty free music download. So all this music that any music you find here, they are all royalty free. There's no copyright claim on them. Is that okay? And they have over 50,000 plus free music tracks shared by their talented community. Is that okay? So what you want to do now is to come to search bar, and type the music you want. All right, for instance, if you don't want to search direct, you can simply scroll down. You're going to see some music. Let's play this one and see. You can see music. All right, so there are a lot of them here. There are a lot of them. All right, so there are just a lot. So there are just a lot of them. Let me pause. There are just a lot of them that you can go ahead and download. Is that okay? So if you cannot find the one you want here, if you keep scrolling, you are going to keep seeing you're going to keep seeing them. All right, you can even come here and click on see more, and they are going to bring more out for you. Is that okay? But if you want to go straight to the point, what you want to do, you just to come to this place. You can come to this place and just type, for instance, let me just type funny background music, and I'll search. All right, if I type funny background music, you see all these ones here is what they consider as funny background music. But let me play and see. All right, so you can simply click get anything you want. All right, anything at all you want. If you don't like all these ones, you can search. If it's not what you want to search for is not funny background music, you can see that. You can see here 699. You can see 699 funny background music, no copyright music. Is that okay? So you can just keep scrolling and keep scrolling until you find what you want. If what you want is not background funny background music, you can just go and select whatever you want to select. If it is for new casting, if it is for whatever you want to do, whatever area you are doing and you want to get the background music for them, you can easily come here and search for the any kind of background music and you're gonna find it. Is that okay? So when you find the sound that you want to you need, all right, so what you want to do is to come to this place. All of this place is download. All of this place, you can click on anyone and they will start downloading. Is that okay? All of these places, they are all download. Is that okay? Let's click on one and download so that you see. So for instance, I'll click on this one. I'll click on this one. All right, I'll click on it. All right, you can see it have started downloading. You can see that say file downloaded. All right, if I click on it now, it will open. Let me click on it. You can see it just downloaded to my files. Is that okay? So that is how to get your background music. Thank you for watching this video. I know that this video has been of help to you. What you want to do right now is just to like this video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, so that you'll be able to see this kind of video in the future. All right, thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Always check the description for more information and also the comment section. Make sure you drop your comments at the comment section. Let me know how this video has been of help to you, and if you have any question, you can send me a message through the WhatsApp number that is on the comment section or on the description. You can find it on this video. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.